Hi, everyone. I'm not sure if you're experiencing some of the same issues that I am, where some of the materials in teachers' classes are blocked, even from our admin accounts. But I did just want to show you a little workaround. So, right now, I'm in a teacher's class. And when I click into the current day's folder, you'll see that even in my admin account, I get the message private access only. One way to get around that is if you go up here to course options and hit view course as, and then just select a student. Then when I go back into the same folder and I click on the same thing, you'll see that I do have access to that and can see what a student would see. Just thought I'd share in case this is helpful for any of you.